the forest with a regular lawnmower. As you can see, it's way taller than me, man. But we're just gonna, look, we're gonna knock it down as much as we can. We're gonna try to get this done in an hour. Yeah. You might have to raise it a little bit. Look. It's just gonna go through here and create a path. See, a lot of people, the reason they don't get nothing done is because they don't attempt. I didn't know how I was gonna cut this. Yeah. I'm just going all the way through, creating a path. Creating a path. That's it, look. It's gonna create a path. Now I'm doing this with one hand. It ain't easy, but look. Now we're gonna go back. Look, that's literally a jungle. You can't even look. It's as high as the roof. And we're just gonna keep going. Look. I'm not complaining about nothing. The time I spent complaining, I could have been halfway through. Look, the time I could have been complaining, I could have been halfway through. Complain for what? Yeah. We've been trying to go through this middle. We only 3 minutes in. And look how much we already did. We ain't even we barely 3 minutes in. Look. Look. This ain't a brush hog. This ain't a billy goat. It's just a regular lawnmower. I'm actually pressing it with my chest and one hand when it gets hard. Look, now we gonna go through this middle. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta press it with your leg. If I wasn't recording, look. We got a whole path here, look. A whole path. Look. A whole path. Yeah. They better quit playing with me. Yeah. Nah. You can charge anybody what you want for this. I might charge them $100. I might go buy a pair of shoes with this money, man. Look. This video gonna be about 5 minutes. I want to show y'all. Yeah. We're gonna get this. Yeah. I want to show y'all. And I got this on a low setting. Look. Ah. Look. What y'all think? Okay. It's kind of interesting. I kind of want to see it too. Yeah. I kind of want to see it too, man. Look. I done did half of it in less than 10 minutes. Yeah. Less than 10 minutes. Yeah. Look. That ain't been 7 minutes. That's the good thing about recording. You can see how long it took. Yeah. Now we're gonna start going on this end. Look. All right, man. With that being said, man, y'all know it's possible. I'm finna get up out of here. Y'all like and subscribe, because this year we're gonna do a lot of forest cutting. I'm gonna upgrade my equipment, upgrade my jobs. I'm gonna upgrade everything this year. By this time next year, I'm gonna be a 6-figure dude, bro, or very close to it. I'm gonna be at over $100K, and hopefully I'll be over 5K, 10K subscribers, because I'm gonna start picking up steam by Halloween. I'm gonna probably be the fastest growing YouTuber probably after Halloween. So with that being said, I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Cut the camera.